you playing with the kitty? Yeah? Hey, Smokey. Yeah, hi, Smokey. You like your kitty cat? Yeah? He's so cute. Are you playing with Smokey? Aww. Don't kiss him. He's probably not clean. He's outside. He's so cute. Is that you, kitty? That's Smokey. He's your guard kitty. Aw, did you give him a kiss? That's a sweet baby. You love your kitty, don't you? Aw, don't kiss him. Don't touch him, though. I don't want you putting your lips on his hair. Smokey's so sweet. He's a good cat.
Chocolate face.
Aw. It's so cute. Sitting in the grass on a nice day. It's turning fall. It's getting colder. You see your kitty? Aw, hey Smokey. How you doing? Aw, you got some grass on your head from Viera. Viera put some grass on your head. How you doing? You feeling alright? Hi Viera. You got chocolate all over your face. Aw, what a sweetheart. What a sweetie. Aw, did Smokey lay over? He laid down. I love you, sweetheart. Mama loves you. Yeah, are you playing with the cat? Yeah, you're all chocolatey from that ice cream. Chocolatey baby. Yeah, are you talking? You're so beautiful. Such a pretty baby. You're a pretty cat too. Smokey. Aw, are you trying to give him kisses? You're sweet. Flowers. Is that grass? You're so dirty. You're gonna need a bath. But you're just having fun. You're just having fun. That's grass. Getting grass all over Smokey too, huh? Aw, he's not gonna bite you. He's a sweet cat. Are you kissing the ice cream? Aw, what a sweetie. What a sweetheart. You're looking at your footsie. He's just playing. He's not gonna hurt you. He don't scratch. He's a good cat.